You just need to put a bar of soap inside the sock. You will never have that problem again. That's right, folks. After this tip, your bathroom will never be the same. So here's what you need to do. You will need a bar of soap, but it can't be just any soap. It need to be this one, the glycerin type, and I will explain why. You will also need a sock. It doesn't have to be a new sock. In fact, it's even better if it's an old one. The important thing is that it has no holes or tears. Here's what you'll do. Take the soap. I really like this brand, but you can choose the scent that suits you best. Take the soap and place it in the sock as if you were marking it. Now take scissors and cut until you reach the soap. Then you will take it. Put the soap inside like it's a little bag and tie a knot. Then tie a second knot, but you won't tie it all the way down. You'll do it the way I'm showing in the video. Afterward, tie a third knot, and then just squeeze it. You'll do it this way because we'll need to use this open part here. And that's it, folks. Now go to your bathroom, remove the tank cover, then take it and place it inside, right in this part. It's important that the soap is in contact with the water. And there you go, folks. Wait about 5 minutes. Look at how the water changes the color, and your bathroom will always smell fresh and fragrant.